Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the pound dollar monthly time frame, I'm still very bullish overall. I still think that we are actually in an uptrend, which I still believe is either a running flat or an expanding flat wave C. If it is an expanding flat, then it will take out the previous highs, probably all the way up to one of these higher fibs. If it's a running flat, then it will most likely make a lower high, turning at one of these two fibs. Either scenario should lead to a lot of upside potential still under shorter time frames. Going down to the weekly time frame, definitely starting a pullback by the looks of it. I still think this is a wave 1. I still think this is a running flat wave 2. That would make this a wave 1 of wave 3, a WXY wave 2 of wave 3. And as long as this continues to make higher highs, higher lows, as long as it does not take out that low right there, then I would definitely say that we're still in a wave 3. It could make a pretty significant pullback and still be a wave 3 on these higher time frames. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we got a breaker structure down, which is probably best visible on like the 4 to 8 hour time frame. Pretty much proves to me that this whole trend from here to here is over. If this trend from here to here is over, then likely what's going on now is likely we are in a correction to that trend. First push down is most likely a wave A. At some point, it's going to make a move up, which is a correction to the wave A for a wave B, and then probably down again for a wave C. I would expect it to go to a Fibonacci retracement of this move up right here, and then probably a pretty good chance it's just going to keep on trending up. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame is where we got our Fibonacci retracement on this whole move, which we should probably have it on the daily too. But like I said, most likely this is all just a wave A. This is lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. This is all one trend still. And this one trend I do believe is a wave A. Eventually we are going to go up and break structure, but that's most likely not going to be the continuation of the uptrend. Most likely it's going to be a correction to the move down, wave B. Once you do have a break, you can throw your Fibonacci retracement out there and look for 3 waves up and a Fibonacci bounce. Then I would expect to see another push down for a wave C. It could really go to any one of these Fibonacci levels, any one between the 38 and the 78%. So definitely keep your eye out on these Fibonacci levels, but it's going to be a while before I think that this correction is actually complete. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is where you can really see that this is all just one trend, all just a wave A of a bigger correction on the higher time frames. Now, if it does go up and if it does break structure, the first thing I would do is I would put my Fibonacci retracement from here to here, and then I would just observe. You definitely could be looking for longs once that happens, but I would just observe it to see when it does 3 waves up to a Fibonacci retracement level of this move down right here for a wave B, possibly giving you a really nice entry for the wave C, just like what I was showing on the 4 hour and daily time frame. But there's really no proof that the wave A is over, and it could easily just keep on drifting down, so I definitely would be looking for shorts in a downtrend as of now. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.